everyone! Today we'll be reviewing the National Flag of Ethiopia. The review will be done using the 5 basic principles of flag design as outlined in the book Good Flag, Bad Flag, written by Ted Kay and published by the North American Vexillological Association. Here is a quick rundown of the 5 principles. We will review the flag under each principle and give a score out of 10 for each. At the end, we will calculate the average score of the 5 principles, which will give us the overall final score for the flag. Let's begin. The flag consists of a horizontal tricolor of green, yellow, and red. The flag is charged with the country's national emblem. The emblem is the yellow outline of a 5-pointed star which has 5 sun rays radiating from it. The emblem is set on a blue disc. The lines of the star are not complete and 10 gaps exist at various places. While the emblem consists of basic geometric shapes, the overall design is a little complicated and drawing it from memory is tricky. For this principle, the flag scores 6.5 out of 10. The current flag was adopted in 1996 when the emblem and blue disc were added. The 3 stripes date back to the end of the 19th century, and the country had numerous flags throughout the 20th century, and all of them incorporated a tricolor design with the same 3 colors of green, yellow, and red. These colors are now known as the Pan-African colors, after a number of African countries copied the Ethiopian colors for their flag. Ethiopia was the inspiration for other countries to fight against colonial rule and gain independence. The Pan-African colors now symbolize independence and unity among African nations. For the Ethiopian flag, the symbolism of the stripes has changed. Originally, the green represented the land and hope, the yellow represented peace and love, while the red represented power and faith. The new official symbolism is the following. The green stands for the fertility of the country, the yellow stands for religious freedom, while the red stands for the blood sacrifice protecting the country. With the emblem, the yellow star stands for the unity and diversity of the country, while the sun rays stand for the country's bright future. The blue disc represents peace. Overall, the flag has good symbolism that focuses on the people. For this principle, the flag gets 10 out of 10. The flag has 4 colors. Those are green, yellow, red, and blue. That's 1 color more than the recommended maximum of 3. All 4 colors are part of the standard set. With contrast, there's an issue with the blue disc set on the green and red stripes. These are all strong colors and therefore have poor contrast. Thankfully, the yellow emblem contrasts well with the blue disc. Overall for color, the flag scores 6.5 out of 10. As previously mentioned, the flag bears the national emblem of Ethiopia. This emblem, while somewhat tricky, is nowhere near as complicated as many other emblems we've seen on other flags. Because of this, the flag manages to keep some marks here. For this principle, the flag scores 5 out of 10. Even though many African countries copied the colors of the stripes, most did a good job making their flags distinct from the Ethiopian flag through various designs. These colors also appear on the flag of Bolivia, and their flag was adopted long before Ethiopia's flag. The addition of Ethiopia's emblem was a welcome one in terms of distinction. Its prominence makes it easy to tell apart from the flag of Bolivia and other countries that use the same colors. For this principle, the flag scores 10 out of 10. So now we reviewed the flag on each of the 5 principles. We're going to add the scores and divide by 5 to get the average. So, for the National Flag of Ethiopia, we get a final score of 7.6 out of 10.